On today's episode of Organize Your Crap, I have the back of my vehicle. One caveat to this is that I'm in search and rescue, so there's a lot of gear back here that most people aren't going to have in their car. But let me give you some ideas. I think a lot of this can translate into keeping kids' stuff organized, keeping the back end organized. I live out of the back of my car. I go so many places and do so many fun things that I need a lot of things to happen back here. My best find are these boxes that I got from the Container Store. They have this little piece right here that keeps them together, which is fantastic. I have these clips. These are child-proof locks. I love this because it keeps them from opening when I drive. I just have to remember to shut them when I'm done with them. I have these divided out with labels on them, mostly so that other people can get things into the back of my car, when we're out and about and I'm like, oh, husband, go grab that for me. It's in the drawer labeled whatever. It's pretty obvious. I know what's in it. Some of the great things that I have in here, like I have my first aid kit. I have extra food, snack things because I get hungry. I have my dog's food. I've got hooks back here that I can hang things on. And I've really utilized all the nooks and crannies in here. So in this drawer here, I have some inserts. These are also from the Container Store. This helps me divide everything out. I've got some treats for him. I've got a couple toys in the back. I have plastic bags. I have gloves, which come in super useful for a number of things, kids and dogs alike. But this can be, this idea can be used in so many different settings. You can get pretty creative with this. So there's a number of things that I do inside my car to keep it organized and fully functioning for travel with my dog to search and rescue and just travel with my kids in general. I found my kids have outgrown baby wipes, but that's in my car too. So let me show you some of my hidden spaces. So this is my center console. This is, I try to keep it really well organized. So while I'm driving, if somebody needs something, I can grab what I need. I don't need to look for it. It's just there. One of the things that makes it useful are little pockets like this is where we keep the Kleenex, because everybody needs Kleenex in the car, but I hate the Kleenex box in the car. We use zip ties a lot. So I have zip ties. I don't know that everybody needs that one in their car, but if you organize kind of like a file folder, everything is easily accessible. This is my packet of wipes. Like I have a baby, but I don't. But these come in so handy all the time. Everybody uses wipes. I also use wipes when I'm waiting for my kids for an appointment or whatever. I'll wipe down my car while I'm sitting there. This is a fantastic find. This holds all of my wires and things for the kids' charging stuff. This is mostly kids' stuff. This one right here that I keep on the outside is the one that I use the most. So it's just there so I can just grab it out real quick. I don't need to fuss around with it. And this right here is a little square cubby that I use for pens and pencils. And I'm always in need of scissors, a comb for the kids' hair. I don't comb my hair. And chippy clips, clippy chips, whatever you want to call it. And every once in a while you get through the McDonald's drive-thru and they forget your straw. So I have an extra straw because who can drink Dr. Pepper without a straw? And because I think there's nothing worse than loose change floating around the car, I've got like a grandma style money purse. It makes me happy. And this last little thing in here, it's like a little makeup bag, because there's always things like chapstick, lotion, medicine, toothbrush, and toothpaste, because every once in a while a girl just needs to brush her teeth. Got my gum in here. Little clippy things that make life a little bit easier because, I don't know, we're always on the road. There's always something that we need to be doing. That's just helpful. So this is what we use to keep our DVD. We have a DVD player in our car to keep all the DVD stuff organized. What I love about it is that because it's not in a permanent location in our car, the kids can take it inside, switch out the DVDs, bring out new ones, but it's all contained. There's not like, I don't know, DVD cases floating around my car. I find that really annoying. We've got our place for our remote. We got our headphones for if we don't want to all listen to it. Very simple. And this can just pop around, get passed around so somebody can look at it, and it goes in and out of the house really quickly. Fantastic. So this is my last fun find. I got these off of Amazon, and they clip onto your headrest right here. And I use them to hang dry cleaning when I go pick up dry cleaning. I also use it when I'm out at search and rescue. I hang up my uniform onto it. I hang my hat onto it. It holds backpacks that are heavy really nicely, keeps my floor clean and tidy. There's a million things that you can use these for, and I have loved them. Super inexpensive way to organize. Now, if you really want to keep your car clean, this is not a trash can, people. Not a trash can. If you're not going to put sunglasses in it, I don't care what you put in it, not a trash can.